Hey guys, welcome back to TechTube, and in this video I am going to show you how to access news in Crunchyroll. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. At first, I'd like to tell you that you cannot directly access news of Crunchyroll from your Crunchyroll application. So you have to use the browser into your phone. Just simply open your browser and after that search for Crunchyroll into there. And after searching the Crunchyroll, just simply open this site for Crunchyroll, and then into this site you just simply have to tap into this three bars at the top left corner, and into there you will get the option of news into here. You can select the news option, and by tapping into this drop down of news you can also filter the news that you want. You can either select all news, anime awards news, and event and experiences news. I'm selecting this all news option into here, and after selecting that it will show all of the news related to animes and Crunchyroll into here. By following these very easy steps you can easily get news into your Crunchyroll. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.